Here, you are not lost. You're found. Caught between reality and a dream, a foreshadowing of a future getaway. The warmth of a timber frame home will encompass your greatest expectations of what home is and embrace you with warmth for years to come. The strength of a timber frame isn't measured on the size of its timbers alone. It's measured for its proof of longevity throughout history. The stronghold of thousands before us, steeped in tradition and heritage. Timber framing is simply strong. The timbers hold visibly proud, lining the inside of the house, as if it were arms of a great giant holding a massive canopy over you. Encased in symmetry, the timber frame is aesthetically pleasing and full of warmth. You have set your whole life for this moment. Something you can call your own, uniquely separate from the rest. Look no further. Here at Homestead Timber Frames, we strive for uniqueness. From hand-cut joints to oak pegs that hold timbers together, we make rare a reality. Your dreams await you at Homestead Timber Frames.